Well, a serious topic everyone really needs to be aware of during the summer and all year. We're talking about hit-and-run crashes. Here in the Valley, we've seen a recent spike in hit-and-run crashes. And to talk more about the serious consequences that follow, attorney Gehovany Alonso from Eric Palacios and Associates. Gehovany, thanks for being here today. Appreciate it. There has, we had a recent story about a woman who was seriously injured as a result of a hit-and-run, and it happens more often than we'd like to think.
Yes, it could be a major incident like that, or even just a simple fender bender. But in Nevada, the drivers have specific duties to stop. If there is a car accident, or even if it's minor, you always have the duty to stop, exchange information, and then go from there. Even if there is no injury to a person, it's still a legal obligation to file a report with the DMV if there's excess of $750 worth of damage.
And there are obligations beyond that. If you're in an accident where someone is injured, you're obligated to do what you can to help that person.
That is correct, because if you don't, then your simple accident could turn into a misdemeanor or a felony charge. If there's serious injury to a person, that could be a felony, and it could result up to 2 to 20 years in prison.
Well, let me throw this curveball to that. What if people are worried that intervening and trying to save the person in a medical episode might result down the road in some sort of litigation because they didn't have the medical training to do what they were trying to do?
Yeah, that's why it's always important, if you can, call 911. Call for an emergency assistance or another option. Now, if there's something pressing, like a fire, you try to get the person out, then you might have a defense as to why you created that situation, maybe caused an injury. But in all events, call 911. Make sure that there is a report, because you don't want to be the innocent victim. Even if you didn't cause the accident, you're still obligated to report it to the DMV.
And you always think, why did someone drive away? Especially if they were sober, but panic sets in, I think, for a lot of people.
It does. Panic either sets in, or simply thinking that, hey, nobody saw me, I hit a parked vehicle, and I'm just going to take off because I don't want to deal with it. But now with the advent of the cameras, people with their cell phones, they might be able to take your license plate, and down the road, simple, fender bender, like I said, that might have been resolved easily, can now result in a misdemeanor charge or even a felony charge.
Yeah, you can avoid some serious consequences.
Yeah, that's correct.
For sure. All right. Well, thanks so much for being here today. For more information, you can give Eric Palacios and Associates a call. There's the number 702-444-7777, and you can visit their website as well at ericpalacioslaw.com.